bringing concepts to market whilst the big giants are still pondering in their boardrooms whether it's a good idea or not. That's all about agility. That's about moving quickly, about taking risks other companies wouldn't necessarily take. As we look forward, we have to have cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge cars, cars that continue to define beautiful in the world.
When we were a small company, we knew many people working here, we knew what they were working on. They were working on the one big program. As we changed, we need to be able to better deploy that resource to make sure we get the most efficient use out of those people. We're using Microsoft Project right now to allow different people in the business to have their own isolated plan of activities about what they're doing with their department, but also we can roll that all up in the cloud so that we can see an overview of all those activities going forward that are going to create the car at the end of the day. And that's exactly what we need to be doing.
Microsoft Project is the thing that glues everything together. It really allows us to describe the steps that need to happen to get to a car at the end. Having the dependencies within Microsoft Project allows us to change one date and it spins all the way back through the rest of the program plan, so it's really quick then to say, okay, if we want to change that, what's the scenario, how might that look from terms of our overall delivery, and share that with the project team and say, do we want to make that change?
Rather than being reactive to when a problem's already starting to go wrong, we can really see where it's going wrong before it happens, so we can catch it early. We'll be more efficient as a result. We'll use the same number of people, but we'll use them more wisely, and we'll spend less money taking products through to production, so it'll be a more profitable business.
There's probably more data created every year here than there has been in the 103 years that preceded it. But in choosing Microsoft to help us with the cloud, what we're saying is that we think this is the best mechanism for protecting what we think is some of the most important intellectual property in the car industry.
To make the best product in a hugely competitive marketplace, it's absolutely vital that we have some amazing people and making sure all those people can collaborate really clearly. The Microsoft Project is a key tool in enabling us to do that.
What we like about working with Microsoft, the tools are world-class, and that makes us move towards that world-class company that we aspire to be.